Okay, now let's have some sample problems. Remember, calculate the density of mercury if 1 times 10 raised to 2 grams occupies a volume of 7.36 centimeter cube. Remember the formula for density, or this unit of rho, is equal to the mass over the volume, right? So to calculate mass, sabi dyan, we have 1 times 10 raised to 2 grams. 1 times 10 raised to 2 is just equal to 100 grams divided by 7.63 centimeter cube. You can pause the video. Okay? Okay? So this would be 13.1 grams per centimeter cube. Okay? Madali lang naman, right? Simple division. Next, calculate the volume of 65 grams of liquid methanol if its density is 0.791 grams per ml. So this time, instead of the density, we are tasked to calculate the volume. So from the formula of density, mass over the volume, okay? So we need to solve for the volume, right? So we can turn this equation, which is volume equal to mass divided by density, okay? So mass is 65 grams all over 0.791 grams per milliliter. You can cancel the mass. You can pause again the video so you can solve it in your calculators. And this would be 82.17 ml. Okay, next problem. What is the mass in grams of a cube of gold? If the length of the cube is 2 centimeter, so the density of gold is 19.32 grams per centimeter cube. Now, how do we tackle this problem? So remember, we are given a cube. Okay? We are looking for the mass. Again, the symbol for density is mass over volume, right? So to solve for mass, let's multiply. The equation would be mass equal to density times the volume, right? But we don't have a volume, right? What we are given is length. So first, we must calculate the volume from the length in order to solve for the mass, okay? So the volume, sabi dyan, it is a cube, okay? So what's the formula for the volume of a cube? This is side times side times side, or it is length to the third power, right? So the value of length is 2.0 centimeter. So you can do it like this, 2.0 times another 2.0, or you can just simply write 2.0 centimeter raised to third power. And so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8.0 centimeter cube. So when you do this in your calculator, this should also be 8.0 cubic centimeter. Now we have the volume. We can use this in our formula to calculate for the mass. Okay? So our density now is 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter. And our calculated volume is 8.0 cubic centimeter. So to calculate for mass, the cubic centimeter could be cancelled. So 19.32 times 8 equals, the mass would be 154.56 grams. Right? So sana nasundan. So you can pause or repeat this video.